Okay guys, welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today I'll be working with Eayon hair. This is an OG company that I've been working with since forever. They sent over a beautiful curly wig, and as you guys can see, I've already been in the box because it's empty. So this is kind of ghetto, but it's wrapped in a towel because about an hour, maybe 2 hours ago, I went ahead and co-washed her. Couldn't find, I feel like going to get my mannequin head out of the closet, so I kind of just wrapped it into a towel and set it to the side and forgot about it. But now I am ready to install her. This is her here, and again, you guys see she's been wrapped in a towel. I co-washed her in my Tresemme. It smells so good. I co-washed her in Tresemme conditioner. I just wanted to make the curls pop. Wet it. Sometimes curls straight out of the box look completely different than curls once you have washed a wig, and of course you guys know it's just a lot more sanitary. So we're gonna go ahead and put her on. You really can't see because again the towel made it frizzy, but this is a closure wig, which means it's going to be a super easy install. It looks like it's medium brown lace, maybe Swiss lace. I'll have all the details linked in the description box. And as you guys can see, they did include adjustable straps, like an elastic band. So what I do like is that I'm noticing that companies are more often including this, and a lot of the times you can take it off. So if you don't like this thing, it does come on and off. You can simply just unhook it and you don't have to use it. So let me go ahead and remove this wig, and then I'm going to put this one on, and then we're going to see if we can get some really cute curls popping with this one. Be sure to go back in and watch this one. This one is some beautiful hair. It's nice, full, thick. If you're looking for a thick, heavy density wig that will last you a good long time, go ahead and watch this video for this wig after you watch the video you're watching right now. Okay, love bugs, jumping right into it. Here's a 360 view of what the wig looks like on. As you guys can see if you look really closely, the wig has a lot of movement in it and the curls are actually very beautiful. As I mentioned, I packaged it a little bit janky, so we're gonna go ahead and fix that, of course. But first, we're gonna start off by pushing all the hair back, removing all the excess lace and bonding her down. Also, what I'll say about this one is that it's not necessarily pre-plucked completely in the front, but you'll see how nice I'm going to be able to finesse it. Now, this video is specifically for my beginner friendly level girls, or those of us who kind of just want to get something simple, low maintenance, easy install, basically beginner friendly. I did go with my liquid gold, and I have been loving this even more than my spray non-glue adhesives. This is not glue. It is like a liquid. It's thinner than gel. As you guys can see, it's a little bit more on the sticky side, and you guys know I have a large forehead, so I'm able to push it forward a little bit to give me a little bit less forehead space, and then I can just literally press it in, and when you let go, it's not dry yet, but it just sits there. I don't have to hold it in place. And then from there, I'm going to blow dry on a cool setting. You guys know it takes a long time to blow dry and get it completely dry, but I do like to, you know, fast forward that so you guys don't have to see that whole process. Now you guys can see a little bit of pre-pluckedness going on here. I didn't do any of this myself. This is what they provided. And as you also will notice that with this product that I use, it kind of will make the hair kind of stick together and get a little bit crunchy, maybe even a little bit white. But as I go in and make the baby hair, it's gonna come right out. Now, even though this is a curly wig, you guys know I love to apply heat to every wig. I just feel like it makes it look so much better. Because the texture is curly of the baby hair, I find that curly and kinky textured baby hair tends to not lay as smooth as I want it to. So I did do a couple heat passes and smooth that out before doing the baby hair. I'm also going to add heat to the parting as well. And there's my family in the background. So let's just watch and I'll be right back. Now that we've took care of the baby hair and the hairline, let's go ahead and part it, and then we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of heat so that it doesn't look so anti-wiggish. And then we're going to focus on the length of the hair. There I'm going to add a little bit of water to kind of moisten the hair and make it easier to style, and also a moisturizing conditioner. From there we'll talk about the hair, and I'll tell you how it held up and all the goods and bads about this wig. I love the texture and length on this wig. It definitely gives natural African American hair styled, very pretty, and I also love when the hair dries. It's definitely the perfect length that gives like a curly vibe look. Now you guys seen I did not pluck or tweeze the hairline, so watch this trick with the concealer and powder and see how amazing it's gonna look. It's literally like magic. Okay, I had to close the door because the kiddos are literally on the other side hanging out and having some fun. But I really wanted to talk to you guys before I step away and do my makeup. You know, I gotta beat my face so I can get some cute little pictures in this one. But I really love it. Now, I will say I was a little bit nervous at first. I did go ahead and co-wash this wig. I actually co-washed it last week. And then I set it out on the mannequin head to air dry. Filming later that day turned into I'm just gonna do it tomorrow, and then I started back personal training, and that turned into fast forward this week. So at some point it got shammed back in the box because I didn't want to have it on the mannequin head and then it get mixed up with all my other wigs and then I forget what company this one came from. So that's why it was a little bit mangled. It was nicely washed and co-washed. I did wash it with the Tresemme conditioner and then condition it with this conditioner. So basically I use this conditioner twice on the hair, and it is a moisturizing conditioner. Actually, that's a volume one. I bought the wrong one. But you know how when you go to your local Target or Walmart, the Tresemmes usually will come in a 2-pack. I like those, especially for my wigs. They work really good for like my wigs when I clean them up to like revamp them, or even for the wig sales. And then even when I wear my wigs, a wig like this that's curly and it's heavy density, you want to use like a really creamy conditioner to kind of help to kind of weigh it down, define the curl, and kind of cancel out the frizz. If this was like a water wave, wet and wavy type of situation, or even just a lower density wig, I probably would use some mousse. The mousse would definitely work okay with this wig, but it would do a different style to it. Like instead of I don't know, I can't really explain it. Maybe I should have done like half with one product and half with the other so you can see the difference. I just personally prefer how my curls come out like soft and luscious and smelling good with this texture of wig with the cream conditioner. And you don't have to use that one. I like Aussie Moist. Literally every brand has a good moisturizing conditioner. Even like a leave-in will work really nicely. But as I mentioned, and of course you guys see in the title, this one came from Eayon Hair, and the packaging is still the same. Yeah, so this is a 5x5 closure average size cap lace front wig. The length is 18 inches and it's a natural colored curly wig, which we knew. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some makeup. Maybe I'll do a quick intro for you guys so you guys can see what it will look like with makeup. Yes. 1 second, baby, okay? Go watch Fia first. Go watch TV. I love you. I'm going to go ahead and put on some makeup so I can show you guys what the wig looks like, which you probably have seen as the intro. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Also, don't forget to check out the description box for a link and list of everything I used to complete this look. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!